Today is Thursday, September 16th. I'm doing a nice video of the trees that we have at home. I'm going to go to the ones that we newly planted yesterday, but these are the ones that's been here for a while. These are the lemon trees. This is the guava with seeds. Let me step back a little bit here. There's a little bit of sunlight, so let me stand back and get in the shade a little bit so you can see them better. Okay. Oh, that's better. It's a lot better. Okay. And the big tree over here is a Cherimoya from Mexico. Let me try to get a little bit closer and take a couple of pictures here for the flower. Next we have the June plum. We planted this one about a year ago and we're getting a lot of fruit. I think we planted this one properly. We ended up digging the hole probably about 2 feet, putting a wire basket underneath to prevent the gophers from eating the roots. And we also, on this one here, at the bottom of the tree, we put about 2 or 3 fish heads with the fertilizer. And it's done an extremely great job for that. This one is our peach tree. I'm gonna walk over to the persimmon. This is the persimmon. We trimmed this one back a couple of weeks ago. Walking over to the lemon tree. This is one of our lemon trees. It's mostly lime, but the sun is sort of bright, so we're getting a sort of a glaze, a glare. And this is the one that we planted yesterday. This is a Cherimoya from Israel. Actually, there is a little fruit on this one here. This one we planted yesterday. And this one, here we go. I'm gonna walk along the side here. These are just our flowers, some of the flowers we have planted against the fence. I'm gonna walk over to the other trees that we planted yesterday. What is this one? Oh, and this one is the guava. No seeds. And this is the newly planted star fruit. We planted one last week, a lot smaller, but this one already have fruit on it. So we don't really have to wait a couple of years to get fruit. And here we have the red apple, wax red apple. And this one we have the Vietnamese cherries. Here we go, take a picture so that a little bit closer. Here's one that actually, see if I can get to that one. There we go. Another one we have a Thai lemon. What is that? Another apple tree. And our poor dragon fruit, we actually have fruit coming out. Actually, the flower is going to be coming out, but the main problem we're having Here we go. Two beautiful, three, one, two, three, I think I see there. Four, basically four. Texas. And here we have Texas oranges. An apple tree. This is the apple. Let's see if I can see anything growing inside there. I know they have, but let me take a closer picture. Right there. This is another picture of this star fruit we planted a few days ago. This one looking pretty strong, look like it's going to be doing pretty good. But we don't really expect any fruit from this one for a while.